Hello everyone, I'm Erin from Hebei-DAPU Group. We are a professional weld machinery manufacturer, looking forward to cooperate with you for your projects. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Erin from DAPU Group. Here is the Hebei Rongkuai Machinery Company as our second factory for making wire mesh welding machine. And this one is our office building. Next one is our workshop.
So this is our spare parts zone. These are the spare parts to make the machine. These are the copper for the welding machine. Parts. So these are different copper size. The lower copper electrode base, the upper copper arm. The lower copper electrode to connect the welding transformer and the welding electrode. This is water cooling. It connects the water pipe. The upper copper wires. These are the welding electrode for different size. For for different wire diameter range, like this, 20 by 20 by 20. You can use the 6 size. It is suitable for 2.2 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. So this is 25 by 25 and 38. So this is a bigger one. This is for 2 welding points. These are the reducer for the motors. This is sample, reducer sample. Some gears. This is the small control box. This is the wires, electrical wires. So this is the sensor switch. Different sensor switch. This is the Panasonic brand. And this is another model. Also Panasonic brand. This is the plug and the wires to connect the motor driver and the motor. So these are the saw motor, the Panasonic brand. You see, Panasonic saw motor, AC saw motor. These are the electric parts. The Schneider brand. Our Schneider brand. This is the ABB brand. ABB. This is the inference on the control cabinet. This is also Schneider electric parts. is some small parts. This is magnets, strong magnets. Small size and big size for different machines. And this is the air cylinder, SMC brand air cylinder. This is multi-force and energy saving air cylinder. SMC brand. This is SMC air cylinder. This is the Schneider air switch. Schneider air switch. Panasonic servo drive. This is SMC brand made in Japan. SMC brand made in Japan. Electro maximum value. These are some air pipe connector. Air pipe connector. This is a small transformer to connect the change the voltage. The C is for 40 voltage. It can change your power supply, the voltage of your power supply to suit on the machine. This is a cast water cooling vent transformer. These are some welds for the machine parts welding to make the machine. These are some cover. Okay, so this is our spare parts drill.
The line well feeding system. You can see the well payoffs feeding. Here is the line wire street wheels. Our street wheels use the European technology. You can see very strong. After street wheels, we are going to here and then feeding to the welding electrodes. This machine is used in pneumatic type welding technology. We use SMC special designed air cylinder. These are electrodes magnet. And then welding electrodes. This welding electrodes you can see here. After one set is used out, you can turn it over. Both upper electrodes and the lower electrodes are used water cooling system. See SMC air tube. Then it's here. And this is the cross-wire feeding system. Dropped one by one. Very high speed and efficient. The lower electrode is connected to the welding transformer by copper plate and the water cooling. Here is the automatic edge weld cutting device. After welding, it's going to the mesh pulling system. This pulling car is by Panasonic servo motor. Here is the hooks. And the next one is the mesh cutting part. After cutting, it makes the finished panel. This is the whole product line. This is BRC mesh welding machine. The street wheels, welding electrodes, cross weld feeder, water cooling system, mesh pulling car, you can see here the main motor and the reducer connect to the main axis directly. Very strong and powerful. Next one is the mesh cutting machine. After cutting, you can make the mesh panel. And if you want to make the mesh roller, you can see here. Here is the automatic rolling and take-off device. Finished BRC mesh rolls. Rolling and next one, I'm going to introduce you some finished products stock in our workshop. Here are the two sides of expanded metal mesh machine. This is the expanded metal mesh machine, street machine. This one is the flatter machine for expanded metal mesh. This area is for stock the finished machine, which is waiting for loading, waiting for delivery. We have packed them well and stock here.